decluttering. That is what is happening here, and if you are here, I appreciate you stopping in. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I guess I should at least just tell you what we're decluttering, right? We're doing miscellaneous beauty tools. We are doing hair care, skincare, you know, like masks and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to continue cleaning up all the extra crap that I have. This one, I promise, is gonna go pretty fast. This is kind of the hair, hair section. So we've got Pureology Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. We have a Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment Hair Mask. That's gonna go in there. I've got BB Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil for glossy, elongated curls. Ringlets to corkscrews from Bumble and Bumble. Gonna go ahead and put that in there. Here is Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Super excited I got to try this. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm happy that I have it to try it. Gonna go ahead and leave that in there. Currently I'm using another leave-in conditioner, so I just gotta finish that one up and then I can start using that one. Same here, and again, most of these products I've got in subscription services, so that's why I have all these things. I didn't go out and buy them like individually. Here we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Treatment. This I tried once or twice. It's fantastic, but again, I'm trying to use up the one that I have from Pureology, so that goes in the backup. We have Art & Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. I don't know, I guess having curly hair, you're prone to being a little bit more dry. And I don't tend to use these that often, so I will just keep them in there just in case. Here I have Extra Firm Control Mousse. This is great for travel. So that is my travel guy right there. Same with this, travel hairspray. So that's gonna go in there. Then I have, how did this not get into the face thing? Sorry, this is brand new. Got it in one of my BoxyCharms. This is a Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So that's gonna go in the skin and face drawer. Here is Hyadi, I don't know how to say it, Weightless Smoothing Cream. That's gonna go in there. Is that it for hair? Oh, we've got some little small, this is from Disney Resorts. This is a Spa H2O plus Sea Marine Revitalizing Shampoo. This is also great for travel. You know, 1 or 2 day kind of a wash thing, but if you need to make sure your hair is taken care of properly, this is a little drying. So a couple of days you'll be fine though. And this is also a good size to refill with your favorite shampoos. So we've got that. I've got the sea salt and body wash. You know, I will go ahead and I'm gonna put this, oh gosh. Okay, revitalizing shampoo, I've got 2 of those. I've got hydrating lotion and body wash. I've got conditioner also from Disney and body lotion. So let's see, body lotion, skin and face. I'm gonna put body lotion in there. Body lotion, hair. This is hair stuff. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shampoo and conditioner and body wash and conditioner in there. And that is gonna do it for organizing my hair stuff. Oh, well, I've got this travel from PYT like flat iron. My cat hair already got on it. I generally don't flat iron my hair, and if I do, I definitely don't do it on vacation. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair bin. Maybe pass it on to my sister down the road. And let's go ahead and label this guy up. And there we go. But now we are going to do the final stretch. This is sort of miscellaneous. We've got beauty tools and we have got like masks and stuff. So I believe that while, you know, I have a makeup subscription service, I will continue to get these things. oddly enough, I never really remember to use masks. So hopefully my friends and I can plan like a skincare, self-care day with mimosas soon. Jeff, Moshi, I'm talking to you. Yeah, to start using these bad boys up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is not like purging like I was doing with my actual makeup before. This is just more organizing all the crap that I have. So here we have a brand new Luxie complete face set. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use this or gift it. But I love the Luxie brushes. But so far all the brushes that I've had like don't die. They don't fall apart. They're staying together. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You can't have enough brushes, but you know, I don't like cleaning them all either. So let us continue on. Here we just, you know, I've got like a blush brush from Thrive Cosmetics. I don't even know what, this is a small contour brush. I actually really want to use this. You know, I'm going to leave this out. Here, you know, brushes. I don't need to go, brand new brushes that I haven't used it. This one is just gaudy, but I don't know. This one I opened it to look at it, but I haven't used it. It's from Crown. Crown brushes are actually pretty fantastic. Luxie again. Oh, it's so pretty. I want to find a reason to use this, but I just need to put it away. Another Luxie brush. Here's a little pencil brush. Is this it? Yes, it foundation brushes. These are fantastic. Got that in a kit. An Aesthetica angled brush. A Wet n Wild face brush. Brushes. So many. And they're just gonna all go in here. So if I ever need to grab a clean brush because the other ones are just out of control, I will have them. But let's get real. They barely fit. I cannot get any more brushes. Again, I didn't buy any of those. Maybe like one or two of them I bought, like the Wet n Wild one or two, but those all came in makeup subscription boxes. So again, I don't know how many times I can say it. If you're trying to build up your makeup collection, your tools, 20 bucks a month or 10 bucks a month, it's totally worth it. I believe I got a majority of the brushes though doing BoxyCharm. So if you have to pick between one of the two and you want to build up some tools, BoxyCharm does do more. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and just put these away. Let's go ahead and let's see. Should I just label this brush and sponges? Oh, brush and sponges, that's where this goes. I don't know why I put this in face, but here's a backup sponge. I got it on clearance at Target. It was one of their like ornament gifts that you could pick up from Real Techniques. It was like, I got it in the clearance bins for like, I don't know, $2 or $3. Score, right? Anyways, that goes in there. I don't know, let's just label it tools so I can stick with these kind of single label situations. Okay, tools, done. Last but not least, let's go ahead and put these masks away. Baggage Claim gold eye masks, those are great. I do those when I travel on car trips and stuff. Donkey Milk sleeping mask. I don't know why I feel funny saying donkey milk. Donkey milk, don't you? I don't know. Got 2 of those. Restore skin while sleeping, but my cat has a tendency to lick my face, and I don't want her, like while I'm sleeping, you know, to wake me up. And I don't want her to like ingest that. So like when I'm like hanging out at home for hours and hours and hours on end, rather than sleep in it. And the idea of like getting this all over like my pillowcases and stuff sounds gross. So there's that. I used one of these for the first time the other day. I didn't really see, like, I didn't really feel like it did much for me. but you know, a little bit of something for the bettering is better than nothing. So that's gonna go in there. I've got my Mickey Mouse face masks with hyaluronic acid. These were a little bit of a disappointment in that I thought they were gonna be like shaped or like look like Mickey Mouse, but these are just plain. But you know, this is good for your skin, so why not? This I'm super excited to use, but I want to make sure that like my skin is like exfoliated, prepped, and like ready to like receive all of the goodness that Tatcha does. I haven't tried any Tatcha products, so I just want to make sure I use these the right way. So excited to use those. I opened this up to look at it and to like put it on my face, but I actually haven't used it. I'm actually kind of scared. It's like this lace mask that you put on your face, like legit, like actual like lace. Are you seeing this? And it like ties behind your ears, right? It's weird, but I don't know. I think I just need to suck it up and do it, or maybe convince one of my friends to do it. Jeff, Moshi, talking to you. Maybe Alex, I don't know. So yeah, that's gonna go in there. Here we have Rescue Facial Sheet Mask from Miss Spa, and Say Yes to Cotton Comforting Paper Mask. Protects and minimizes irritation. I've got a bunch of Biore nose strips, so those will go in there. Oh, gel cleanser. I guess that goes to skin and face. This is from Honest Beauty. You guys, if you have the opportunity to try this, my skin has never felt better than when I put this on my face. And this has more than like 1 or 2 uses in it. This is bomb. Super bomb. Read it, understand it, and go buy it. And then here, I got these as samples from visiting the Clinique counter. It's the Fresh Pressed Renewing Powder Cleanser. I think I used one of these already, and I love them. And these things were randomly hanging out in my bathroom, and I was forgetting to use them. So, masks. Here we go. Boom, you guys, this is the last one. So I've cleaned, I've purged, I've organized. We're done. We are absolutely done. And wow, I got rid of all of this. Do you understand the girth of this hairy gift bag that was given to me with a birthday present many moons ago? This is absolutely full, and an eyeliner just tried to escape of stuff, and it's all gonna go the way of the dodo. Okay, so that is it. If you've gotten to this video, if I actually did these in order, this is the last one that I am uploading of just the organizing and sorting of stuff. Next video up is going to be just a little mini tour of my beauty station and organization. It's really nothing to write home about, but it's what I use on a daily basis, and it's what makes me happy when I am getting ready in the morning and playing with my makeup. So I look forward to sharing that with you soon, but I'm glad you were here. I'm glad you stopped in, and I'm glad you made it to the very end. So at this point, I'm hoping there's a good chance, if you haven't already subscribed, that you might be willing to do so. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Go ahead and give that video a thumbs up. Just do it, because of the sheer effort of me uploading this video. That was work and time I put in. Go ahead and give that a thumbs up just because I asked. It would help me out a whole lot. But yeah, questions, comments, please leave them down below as always. And I hope you have a good day or a good night wherever you are. I hope to see you soon. Bye!